Okay everyone, so now we are learning the crystal report. As the name signifies, crystal report is a reporting tool. To understand that, we are taking a diagram here. Let us suppose that we have created one .NET application. This can be any project. And now we are connecting with the database. The database can be SQL, Oracle or MS Access. And database contain multiple tables. Now, after that, we have created the connection between the application and the database with the help of connection type. It can be SQL, Oracle, oledb for the access or odbc. So connection is created between the database and the application, and here in the .NET application we are having the data set, which is a small database where we are having the disconnected architecture. That means if the connectivity is lost, in that case dataset is having some kind of data. Now this is the database connectivity. After that, let us suppose in my application I don't want any type of text box or data grid view, means I don't want to display the data. Let us suppose that in my application I want a bar chart, or we want to create the pie chart, or we want to create some kind of report. So all these are the part of crystal report, because this bar chart, pie chart, report or any other report, so they comes under the crystal report. So we should understand that if we are having the database and this database is connected with the application with the help of some connection, and here inside our application we don't want any text box, we don't want to display the data, we won't want to update or modify, we simply want that there should be some kind of report, just like we want to display a bar chart, pie chart, report, or some kind of thing so that we can access complete data, we can see and analyze the data, we can print that. So for that we need the crystal report. In the same way, this crystal report will be connected with the data set using the data connection. So from the database directly inside our .NET, we can show the report, which is called the crystal report. Crystal report is used to generate the report from various databases, just like it can be SQL, Access, Oracle, XML, any database, it can generate the report. The purpose of crystal report is that we want to display the data in attractive manner. Let us suppose that we are having the database of some company, from where we are having a table where we are having the complete records of every year growth. Let us suppose that we want to display a bar chart where we want to display that what is our yearly growth. So attractively we can display that data using the crystal report. Here we are having the advantage that using crystal report, user can take view of the report, it can take printout and even mail that report to somebody. So if we are having the database, we can simply view that complete report and mail to our specific concern authority. So this is really good about the crystal report. In the crystal report, there is also flexibility that we can make the grouping and we can do the sorting. So grouping and sorting can also be performed in the crystal report. Let us suppose that you want to group the data of level 1 employee or level 2 employee. So you can group them. You can sort them according to your performance. So that is grouping and sorting, which can be done easily with the help of crystal report. So using the crystal report, we can easily organize, categorize and summarize data. So here with the help of crystal report, we are having flexibility. Then we can take the complete summary of the database. Let us suppose that we are having the database of some company where multiple tables are there. Here we can take the summary. We can provide the different charts. We can create the report. We can categorize them and we can properly organize that data. So that's why this crystal report tool is very beneficial for the reporting purpose. In the .NET, crystal report is not included. That means it is not inbuilt. So whenever you are having the Visual Studio .NET, here you should download the crystal report separately. You can download that from the internet for your specific version of Visual Studio. Then afterward you just set up that, means you install that. After installing, crystal report will be automatically come inside your Visual Studio. So as a plugin, it should be coming inside your .NET. So if you want to install the Crystal report, just download from the internet. Then afterward, just install that. Automatically that will be included in your Visual Studio. So if you want to create some kind of report or the chart from your database, then you need the Crystal report. So that is all about the Crystal report.